When downsizing or looking to retire, people typically have a variety of goals and needs in mind. Here are some common factors people most often consider. Financial stability. Many people downsize or retire in order to achieve financial stability. This may involve reducing monthly expenses, eliminating debt, or consolidating assets to generate income. Simplification. Downsizing or retiring can also be a way to simplify one's life. This may involve moving to a smaller home or getting rid of possessions that they no longer need or want. Health and wellness. As people age, they often become more concerned with their health and wellness. Downsizing or retiring can allow them to focus more on self-care and enjoy a less stressful lifestyle. Location. The location of one's home can be an important consideration when downsizing or retiring. Some people may choose to move closer to families, while others may seek a warmer climate or a more vibrant cultural scene. Social connections. Retirees may also be interested in finding ways to stay socially engaged and connect with their communities. This could involve moving to a retirement community or joining clubs and groups that share their interests. Overall, downsizing or retiring can be a way to create a more fulfilling and enjoyable lifestyle in one's later years. By focusing on what matters to each individual, give me a call at 843-222-7800. I would love to help you find your next home. Click the button to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Take care.